Yo, what's going on, you guys? It's your boy Jeremy Cash, live and direct with another valuable video for you guys. Now, I know that you're gonna like this video. You know why? Because it's gonna be dope. It's gonna be lit and it's gonna be valuable for you. And so I'm gonna get right into it. All right, so I wanted to talk today about a niche that a lot of people don't talk about, but it makes probably the most money in CPA. To be completely honest, I think it probably makes the most money in CPA, and that's the gaming niche. The gaming niche is huge. It's not even huge. It's not that it's only huge in CPA, but it's huge all around, right? So I'm gonna give you guys some practical things that can help you guys start making some money every single day. All right, so we're gonna run through this. All right, so I'm on the YouTube training and they got these different sections. Now you can click on gaming, right? If I was you, I would advise you to click on gaming, and they're just gonna give you a bunch of different, games that are out, and a bunch of different gaming channels that you guys can be able to look up, right? And go through here and you can start reading some people's comments and kind of seeing, what people are looking for. If you already know the gaming niche, things like Roblox, Fortnite, things like that, they're looking for like Robux and all these different points and things like that, cheat codes, all of that kind of stuff people are looking for, especially the niche, especially the group, the middle school to, high school, and then even below that, kids up to, 7, 8 years old are playing these games now like crazy, right? So start looking through this stuff, guys, right? And one thing you want to look for is huge channels. Like, for instance, I'm pretty sure all these channels are, super big. This guy's live now. This person's live now. This person is live now. So, you can even go into people's live chats, and I'll pause that so that way I don't get any, copywritten stuff. But let's just go check out, and see some of these comments. Right? So a lot of these people are like, they're commenting like right now. And so these are good because people are reading these. So you can come in here and say, hey, does anybody need, let's say for instance it was Roblox. Just say, hey, does anybody need Robux? I want to send you guys some, some Robux. Or I want to show you a way that you can get free Robux. And I believe on these you can actually add a link on the when people are going live. Now normally on their, I believe on their regular channel, they won't allow you to do links. So sometimes people will do, they'll just type it out, but they'll kind of have to space it out. And I'll give you guys an example. Let me go to just a random video so I can kind of show you how people can how you can actually get your website. So I'll click on Shane Dotson. Alright, so let me go to the comment section. And so some people will say, hey, get Robux free, go here. And then they'll do, I'll just say free and then Robux. And then they'll do like a dot and then a C and then an O and then an M. Like that, because you can actually, paste that into the comment section. Now if you do a link, there's a certain way that you can do a link, right? But you would have to comment first, right? And so doing things like that will be able to get people to your offer a lot faster in the gaming niche, right? So one thing that you guys need to do, and listen closely, you need to create a new YouTube channel, right? And you can create it under the same one that you have. You can go to youtube.com/channel_switcher, press enter, and you can create a new channel under the channel that you already have. You can create a bunch of those if you want to, but you can create a bunch of different gaming niches, right? And all you have to do is find people who are doing gameplay. For instance, let me show you. So we'll do Roblox. I'll just do this, boom, right? And so you got people, you got this channel, 3.6 million views, right? You can even download this video and re-upload it, and then just type on the video, get free Roblox in the description, right? Free Robux in the description. So how you download videos, of course some of y'all already know this, but I'm gonna give you guys some key nuggets here in just a second. So watch this. Copy and then go to Google. This is stuff most people should know. I usually type in YouTube to MP4, right? And then you can just pick any of these, right? And then you'll paste your link, you'll click start, and boom, bingo, right? Your video download, you see it's right here. You'll just pick the video to download. You have the video, okay? and then you can go ahead and edit it. Now, if you don't know how to edit videos, that's for a whole nother video, but there's tons of free, you know, softwares out there. A lot of you got Mac computers, you got Final Cut and stuff already built into it, and then Windows Movie Maker for some of you, because it doesn't have to be super fancy. A lot of these gaming channels, you're not going to even have, you know, the stuff on there, right? So you can start doing that. Follow these huge gaming channels, right? And as soon as they upload, guys, as soon as, listen, on these, when you make your new page, for instance, when you make your new page, this is all you have to do. Subscribe and hit the bell, right? On that new page that you made, do that to like 10 to 15 channels. Because as soon as they upload, you're going to be right there at the top because you got the notification. You could be the first person to comment. Normally, the first person who comments gets all the likes, right? But you need to say something remotely close to, hey, great video, and then go into your spiel about, you know, what you can do or what you have. And that way, once your likes get all the way up there, then people are going to be coming to your content, or they're going to be commenting on your stuff, right? And so one major thing that you guys need to pay attention to is this. You can now, this is a website called PlayerUp. I've been knowing about this for a couple years, but you can actually buy, you know, monetized channels, right? And let me see if I can get back on the site, because sometimes my there it is. Okay, so you can buy monetized gaming channels, right? So look at this, gaming channel with 4,000 subscribers, and it's a monetized channel. So not only could you buy this channel for $135, but it doesn't have any strikes. So that means you're going to be getting paid off of AdSense and things like that. So people are looking to sell their channels. Some people build these channels up specifically for just business, you know, opportunities like this, just to make money off of them, right? They'll build them up, they'll just throw random videos on there, they'll get the subscribers, they'll sell the channel. So this is a website that you guys can make sure that you look into, right? This one, and there are tons of different channels for different niches, and you can come here. Another website, guys, is FameSwap. They'll let you know. Now a lot of these prices on here are, I say locked, right? So they won't be able to see it. But once you sign up, to them, or you can contact the seller, see how much they're looking at for these channels, and then you already have an audience to promote to, right? Very simple stuff. So whenever you create a really great landing page, which another website that you already know about to create great content lockers is OG Ads. So when you get to OG Ads, you should have landing page requests. If you don't have landing page request right here, then you'll have to contact your affiliate manager, which is Bobby, right? Now this website, as I'm telling you guys, I haven't used this much, right? But I know it works because I know a lot of people who do use it. I just normally prefer CPAGrip, but this one has great landing pages. So I usually take landing pages from here and mix them with CPAGrip, right? And so these are all different kinds of landing pages. And so let me give you guys an example of some of the landing pages, right? So this will be a GTA offer. Wait 1 second. So the GTA one I couldn't get to work anymore, but for instance, let me go to add followers to my Instagram, right? So these are pre-built landing pages that comes with the actual program, which is OG Ads. And so it comes with all of these different scripts, guys. Like, look at this. It comes with all these different scripts. You can pick how many followers you want, generate, and even on the gaming side of things, they have a ton of different things, right? But if you don't want to use this platform, you can actually create your own. And then at the end, it gives them the human verification, right? But these are things that you guys should be looking forward to. I wonder if the gift card one works, because a lot of you know about the gift card one. So yeah, this is the gift card one. Gives you all these different gift cards, right? Some of you seen this before. And then, like, you can actually change all this stuff up to gaming and all that. But for instance, we're doing gaming, say Xbox, or there's people who have Xbox, it'll bring them here. They get a $100 gift card. Goes through the the generating process, and then complete, right? And so that's the kind of stuff that's on here. But like I said, they have tons of different ones, tons and tons of different ones. And the other place that you got, I talked about a long time ago, was I think CPA Content Locker templates. And there's so many different websites out here. There's so many different websites out here, guys. this is another one. They have, you know, Roblox, things like that. They have these, all kinds of different templates that you guys can look at, right? And that you can change, because I showed you in other videos how to be able to change it to whatever gaming, you know, website that you want. Then they also have CPA Content Locker.com that also has gaming, you know, sites and things like that, templates that you guys can use. So for instance, look, a gaming template. You can change this to whatever you want to. Another one, Pokemon. I showed you guys before how you can change the background, the logos, and keep all of this stuff the same, so that way that you can promote whatever opportunity you want, right? And so they have a ton of these. You just have to go through the website to get all of them, but they have a ton of them, and you can start uploading videos every other day on that new channel. Even if it's not getting any views or likes, you can start uploading videos on there and building that rapport, so that way you start to get that residual income from YouTube. Because if you already buy one of these accounts, then you're already going to get views. But if you're starting from scratch and you don't want to spend the, you know, the money to get one of these accounts, then that's fine. But what you can do once you do have one of these accounts is not only monetize it with the AdSense, but then you're going to be getting paid off of the people going through the offers, because this audience is already a gaming audience. So whatever you put out there, they're going to go through because it's a gaming channel, right? So this is something that's extremely powerful, and I hope you guys take heed in this. Utilize all of these different channels, guys. There's tons of channels that has, look at this comment section, guys. 7,000 comments. Always hit the sort by, go to the newest first. People are commenting right now, I bet. Look, 40 seconds ago, right? And what game is this? What game is this right here? This is Roblox, right? Roblox, all day, 40 seconds ago, 3 minutes ago. How hard would it be, because these aren't any top comments, so they don't have any likes and they don't have any replies on none of these comments. How hard would it be for you to just like it, comment, hey, I can get you free Robux. Go here, right? And then go free Robux. Whatever website. This isn't a real website. And then dot, and then COM. Boom. And just go through here and comment. Look at all this. Look at all this potential. Just say, hey, you know, what's up, man? You know, be regular. Don't sound like a robot. You can kind of be regular with different people. If you need to write, you know, out three or four or five messages in a notepad, that way you're not saying the same thing to everybody, and just kind of write them. You'll get some people to write you back. You'll get some people that's curious and say, let me see what this website is about. And if your landing page is great, right? I always talk to you guys about that landing page. If your landing page is great, you're going to make a killing off of it. Just off of people being curious, like, let me see if these Roblox things really work, right? And so with you being able to do that, and people being able to go through your landing pages, right? And then they're going through the process, because there's so many different, you know, teenagers or kids that just never even heard of content locking, that the sky's the limit for this gaming niche, because the gamers on YouTube are pretty much the highest paid people on YouTube. The gaming niche is ridiculously huge, guys. Like, ridiculous. This Roblox search term is, what does that say? 55 million searches a month. These YouTubers are making freaking millions of dollars a year off just playing games. So take advantage of that and make a killing. This is only one video comment section. There's tons of other gamers out there, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you know a lot of different gamers. That's the niche. And if you start to upload those videos, right, all the time, and it doesn't even have to be gaming, it could be really anything, but in that niche that's popular, which is gaming, you start uploading those videos, and it only takes one to go viral and people to click onto it and start to, you know, comment on it or whatever it is, and then you're getting freaking commissions like no other, right? And I'll make some more videos on that showing you exactly some of the things that I'll do as well. But start implementing some of these things now, guys. Hopefully this video helped you. It should have, because this is some great information. The fact that you can actually go out and get you a gaming channel like right now that's already monetized, so that's getting paid twice, right? 162,000 subscribers for $350. Now, all of these people, like I said, do your due diligence, talk to them, look at some of their reviews or whatever, because I'm pretty sure everybody on here is not telling the truth, because some of this is kind of, now this looks about right. 625,000 subscribers, and then 6,400. Okay, now that sounds close to about right, but I think that should still be more. But just go in here, you know, talk around. If you need to talk to a couple people, do your due diligence, look up some reviews. I've heard a couple people buy stuff from here and it was, you know, good. I mean, so, you know, do all of that first, and then, you know, if it checks out and you get what you want, you can easily get you a 34,000 account for 650. Save up some coins and get you that. Or if you smart and, you know, you doing, I've been telling you in the videos, using your credit and leveraging your credit cards and things like that to be able to make investments like this, and then using, you know, velocity banking to pay things back, then, you know, that's how, you know, the rich people operate. But yeah, man, hopefully this video was jam-packed for you. I will have more videos coming out, so you guys make sure you rewatch this video again. Use some of these strategies to start making a killing in the gaming niche. If you guys need me to go over again how do you change landing pages, I can do that. That's not a problem. But I do have other videos. I know I've been making a lot lately, so it's probably hard to find them. But I'll make probably a playlist or something for you guys. But other than that, my information is below. Text me, email me, whatever it is you guys need, I'll be here to do so. I should be making another video about Facebook ads and stuff like that that you guys requested. And other than that, I will see you in the next video. Peace.